a Scratch tutorial how to change your language in this website. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this until the very end, because this will really help you to change the language on this platform. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So when you create, if you want to create a project, you tab on create, right? So tab on create, and now you created the project in Scratch, okay, in this website. So now it's creating a project, loading sprites, and now you want to change the language. You are not from United States, from an English speaking country, and you want to change the language of this website. So what you need to do is to tap on this icon, right, this globe icon, tap, and now here you'll see multiple languages, and you just need to, let's say we're from Germany, okay, just tap on Dutch, and now as you can see everything is Dutch, okay, in this language. If you want to change to Portuguese, we can change Italiano, Costume, Codice, Aspetto, Suno. So that's how you change a language in Scratch. I hope this video provides you with value. This is How to Browser YouTube channel, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, consider subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video for more how-to videos.